let's do this thing. Let's get this thing going here. Last time I was on, I made a mistake. I said, Brit Girls Gone Crazy. It's actually Brit Girls Go Stateside. But they still crack me up. They still crack me up. I'm going to give a couple of shout outs today. One is to Hungry Me. I'm hungry all the time. It's very hungry me. You can tell. I like food. I like food. Okay? And my good buddy, Vino, 60-second cocktails. Damn, I look good, Vino. Thank you for making me look so good. You know, I was reading on the computer today, checking things out, and I read a story that Sugar Ray Robinson, who fought Jake LaMotta in Raging Bull, Jake LaMotta was played by Robert De Niro. Well, in 1947, Sugar Ray Leonard Robinson was supposed to go up a fighter named Jimmy Doyle. And 2 nights before the fight, he woke up in a cold sweat, having a dream that he was going to kill Jimmy Doyle in the ring, and he didn't want to fight. He was going to call off the fight. And his preacher and a couple other people and his manager told him, don't worry about it. Go fight. It's only a dream. It's only a dream. It's not going to happen. Well, Robinson went in the ring, and he killed Jimmy Doyle in the fight. And he felt miserable for a long time afterwards. And then they went along to make Raging Bull, and he fought Robert De Niro. Oh, I'm sorry. He fought Jake LaMotta. He couldn't knock Jake LaMotta down. If you haven't seen the movie Raging Bull, it's in black and white. It's an old movie. Go check it out. Today I'm going to make a drink called a painkiller. So if you fall down and hurt yourself, or you got a bad stomach, or you got a headache, or whatever, you got to have a painkiller. You need painkillers. Operation, talk to the doctor. He's going to give you painkillers. Don't take his. Take mine. It's more better. More better. Okay? Okay. Boom! How do you like that? I got magic in my system. Boom! Well, I got magic. Today, I'm going to put in pre-mixed 4 ounces of pineapple juice, freshly squeezed pineapple juice, and 1 ounce of orange juice. I already mixed it up, and there you go. It's in. It's in the bowl. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add 1 ounce of Everclear. Okay, 1 ounce of Everclear. Everclear. 1 ounce of 151. Don't worry, I got another bottle. This one's almost empty. That's because I drink it so much, you know. 1 ounce of 151 rum. 1 ounce of coconut rum. Coconut. You ever watch the Marx Brothers Coconuts? 1 ounce of wait a minute, is that right? That's right, 1 ounce of coconut rum. And 2 ounces of dark rum. I crack myself up. Karen knows it. She's over there shaking her head. She says, you're always cracking yourself up. That's because I think I make myself crazy, going crazy with stuff. I'm always thinking. I'm thinking about making a cocktail right now, and I'm thinking about making a cocktail for tomorrow. And here we go, folks. Well, maybe it's better if I just use one hand and do it the way you're supposed to do it. Oh, boy. And this smells mighty. Whoa, shit! Oh, no! That damn thing's not big enough. What are you going to do?
What are you going to do?
Okay, I clean up this mess. And what I got to do now is add the garnish. Because my friends over there, Flour, Eggs, and Yeast, Cam and Teresa, they like garnish. So I'm going to give Karen a cherry and a pineapple. And me, because I'm a tough guy, I'm going to use a rhino. Now, I wonder why you guys are thinking, Why does Karen have more than Tony? It's because I already tasted it. Karen didn't yet. And don't forget to watch Maui Karen Ann. She's a hoot. Vaccine. Don't flag Delta, because you don't want to get the Delta. You don't want to get the Delta. And say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony is over and out.